So we've got two very special trucks with us here today. We had a client contact us and ask us if we could build matching K10 and K5 Blazer for them. So we said, absolutely. So this is a 1971 Chevrolet K10, it's a four-wheel drive truck. So the color is called, now children cover your ears, bitchin' blue. It's two-tone blue with white, and this color is amazing. It's a dark blue that has a ton of blue metal flake in it. Because this is a Heritage Series, we're running the exterior Velocity billet package with the mirrors and the door handles and some various billet pieces on the inside that we'll talk about in a second. Now we've got the trim that runs along here and the wood grain trim that runs along the bottom all the way around the truck. One of the things you're going to notice is number 32. And that number means something special to the client, so he asked us if we could incorporate this into the build, and we decided to do some custom badging for him. Part of the Velocity billet package includes something that's really unique to us. It's this billet tailgate handle that has a backup camera built into it. Now you'll also see on the inside, we decided to go with a bedwood kit to give it a really retro, kind of cool look. At Velocity, we do all custom interiors. So this is a beautiful dark brown distressed leather with plaid stitching, custom door panels, and we mentioned the billet package. So on the inside, we've got the door handles, and we've got these things that look like window cranks, but they're actually electric controls. Moving up here, we've got the billet aluminum Spark Industry steering wheel with a custom hand-stitched leather that matches the seat and the dash, Dakota digital gauges, so it has that classic look, but upgrades the gauges to digital functionality, vintage air AC that blows extra cold, and we've got a touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth that's connected to the backup camera. This truck sits on a Velocity exclusive roadster shop chassis that has a completely re-engineered suspension system. You'll also notice that we've got a retro-inspired 18-inch wheel that's wrapped in a 35-inch mud tire. So under the hood, we've got a brand new Gen 5 LT1 6.2 liter pushing 465 horsepower. Aluminum radiator, electric fans, got a Willwood braking system with four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, and these really cool billet aluminum hood struts. Now this truck has a ton of custom features on it, and if you want to get your own personalized K10, visit us at velocityrestorations.com.